All right, this is going to be option 6. This is the lesson 2 Smartboard Interactive. First thing you want to do is make sure that both you and your partner put your names up here, your period, and your due date. For this interactivity, the first thing you guys are going to be doing is you're going to be following this link to the website listed. And on that website, you're going to be answering questions 2 and 3. Will be done off of that website. So let's take a look there. First off, question 1, we're going to be doing an element investigation. You're going to be selecting 2 elements from the list. So what you can do is you can scroll down here. Here's the elements for 1 through 18. And you're going to select 2 of those that you're going to look at more in depth. Now, you can definitely use this site, and I can simply click here, and I can follow that link, and it's going to tell me a little bit about each element. You're also welcome to go to other places to get additional information. So that's the area you're going to go to finish that first segment. You're going to select those 2 elements and give us a discussion. Feel free to use your textbook as well. I expect 1 to 2 sentences for each one of the elements. The next thing you're going to do for number 3 is we're going to do a group investigation. And you'll see I have 3 groups for you to look at: the halogens, the alkaline metals, and the inert gases, also known as the noble gases. For each of those, there's a specific question I want you to answer. And I'm focusing on the similarities. And what we've got here is, if you look along the right-hand side of the page, over along this edge, you'll see there's the halogens, inert gases, and the alkali metal groups. Those are the 3 that you can click on each of those, and you can investigate them in more depth. So if I click on halogens here, it talks about what makes them similar. All right? And you had better talk about reactivity and valence electrons. That's your hint for that one. Okay. Now, the last segment, what I want you and your partner to do is I want you to review 2 of the various periodic table websites that I've linked for you on Moodle. For each review, you need to identify the name of the website and then 2 interesting things you learned while researching the site. Now, this is one where you should spend between 15 between 10 and 15 minutes, on each one of the 2 websites. And that list on Moodle, let's see, we can bring up right here. You have a wide variety of websites right here you can look at. Make sure you write out the full name when you put it down on the website line, and I would expect complete sentences for your interesting things you learned. That concludes this direction set for activity option number 6. Have a good day.